for the paper, back and forth, 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 back. Then press one corner of the paper and unfold it gradually. Finally, hold one end of the paper and you have a paper fan. Thank you.